Hello friends, today I am come before you with a different issue. It is related to history, it is related to the down memories of yesteryears. Friends, do you know today is very auspicious day for the people, for the denizens of Bhagalpur, because some 247 years back on this day, Bhagalpur came to the existence of separate districts in the map of world. Yes, friends, on May 4, 1773, Mr. James Burton became the first collector of Greater Bhagalpur, consist of Jangal Tari, that is Rajmahal and Bhagalpur. As per some old documents, like the press list of ancient documents, volume 3, on February 18, 1773, the Committee of Circuit of the then East India Company had ordered for establishing 2 civil courts at Rajmahal and Bhagalpur, and also ordered for establishing 1 criminal court only in Bhagalpur. Apart from that, Mr. Burton was assigned to start soiree duties, that is collection of revenues from different heads. Hence, this district has been started as a revenue, full-fledged revenue district. Damineko, the area demarcated for the endangered Paharia tribes by the Britishers on Rajmahal series of hills, was however separated from this Greater Bhagalpur. As per the district gazetteer of P.C. Raichaudhuri, after the infamous Santhal insurgents of 1855, the entire administrative setup has been changed. On September 22, 1855, an independent regularization district came to an existence with the areas of this Damineko and its adjoining areas like Dumka, Deoghar, Godda and Rajmahal. After a while, its name was given as Santhal Pargana, and this Santhal Pargana was a part of Bhagalpur division till the formation of Jharkhand. The Santhal Pargana was a part of Bhagalpur. As per Francis Buchanan, Munger district was created on 1832, while the subdivisions like Madhepura in 1845, subdivision Banka in 1863 and subdivision Supol in 1870s. Later on, all the subdivisions were upgraded as separate districts under the new divisions like Munger divisions, Kosi divisions, etc., which were once the part of Bhagalpur. Friends, hence we could observe that Bhagalpur was not a replaced district. it was not re-established. Rather, many new districts which were once the part of Bhagalpur became separate district today. Many history lovers have been busy and persuading the administration and the government for fixing a date for Bhagalpur so that its birth anniversary could be celebrated. You know, other districts like Munger, Banka, they already have their establishment days where functions, celebration and was celebrated. Professor Raman Sinha, a senior faculty of history in Tilakamaji Bhagalpur University, he had done exclusive research works on this subject and earlier urged the district administration as well as the Bihar government. Many other people like Shiv Shankar Singh Parijat, a former retired government official and noted historian, he also joined with Sinha, Professor Sinha. However, Professor Sinha told that the present district magistrate, Pranab Kumar, he has approved to celebrate May 4 as the establishment day of Bhagalpur. According to Sinha, earlier Pranab Kumar constituted a committee in which Professor Sinha was there, and all such research works, the documents, books, related all things were examined, cross-examined, and came to a conclusion for the May 4. But due to Corona, this time this function, the celebration function could not be possible, it was postponed. So we hope in the next time it could be celebrated with a greater fanfare. Friends, you know, Bhagalpur is a very old historical place having a very rich history in the ancient time. In 12th century BC, this entire area, this what we are talking about, the greater Bhagalpur, is known as Andhra Pradesh, having its kingdom Champa. And at that time, there are 16 Mahajanapad, big planned cities in India, and Champa was among one of them. Besides, Champa was a very, that time very developed urban center and is known as a trade center in the map of commerce in the world. So, Bhagalpur has many relevant and significant historical evidences, this Andhra Pradesh and Bhagalpur. But like other districts who already have started to celebrating their birthdays, Bhagalpur yet not had the opportunity, but thanks to Pranab Kumar, the local district magistrate, present district magistrate, and people like Professor Sinha, who at least made an effort to fix a date for celebration its birthday. Anyway, this time Corona episode postponed and damped the spirit also of celebration, but we hope next time in the coming year we all the people of Bhagalpur have the opportunity to witness a great function on occasion of its birthday. So thank you, friends.